Hi, I'm John Holden, and welcome to Earth. We're starting off our show here in western Utah, where lots of open space, abundant sunshine, and plenty of wind makes this the ideal location to build, well, entire fields of wind farms and solar farms. But these days, renewable energy that powers communities is also being generated by the local hog farmer and an American company dedicated to producing the food we eat every day. Let's take a look. That tasty bacon and sausage breakfast you may have eaten this morning was only possible because of the dedication of thousands of farmers across the country who raise crops and livestock for the food we put on our plates every day. Food companies take that bounty and turn it into the items that you eat in restaurants or see lining the shelves at your local grocery store or market. With a continuous and growing need for food here in the United States and around the world, and limited resources to produce it, sustainability in our food supply chain has never been more important.
By 2050, we're going to have 10 billion people on the planet. How you feed all those people? We have climate change issues, weather issues. There's challenges in where the food's going to come from. Are we going to use every square foot of space to do it? And the key is to do it sustainably, is to do it efficiently, using the resources we have. That's the challenge for food companies today.
This hog production facility near Milford, Utah, is one of many farms across America owned by Smithfield Foods, one of the world's largest pork producers. Smithfield raises over half the pigs needed to make the pork products it sells to grocery stores and restaurants across the country. The remainder comes from partnerships with thousands of family farmers across the United States. Smithfield's commitment to sustainability starts right here on the farm and continues throughout its supply chain. Through its sustainability initiatives, this company is focused on feeding a growing population and addressing some of the most pressing issues facing our society and planet, like climate change.
Well, John, we're one of the world's largest animal protein companies, and so we've got a significant impact on feeding the world. That's why when you look around here and you look at these projects, what we're trying to do is fulfill our basic core mission, which is good food responsibly.
Notably, Smithfield is credited for its unexpected renewable energy program at hog farms across the country, like this one in Utah, which is creating energy and power for thousands of homes and businesses. So, how are they doing it? Smithfield is converting hog manure into renewable natural gas, reducing methane emissions to create clean, renewable energy.
What we have behind us is a digester, and all the farms on this particular site have digesters similar to this. They're 25 foot deep. They have a 80 to 100 mil HDPE cover that captures the gas that's produced by the microbes as they work on the manure below. The biogas that's produced under this cover is converted from a 60 to 70% methane gas to a 99+% methane gas that can be sold and injected into a natural gas pipeline and used by homes, businesses, transportation sector, power generation, whichever sector buys that gas. The significance of it is, in 2017, Smithfield started a business platform called Smithfield Renewables. And Smithfield Renewables is really focused on making sure we meet our carbon reduction goal of 25% by 2025. A big part of that are renewable energy projects, manure to energy projects like you see here today.
All of their manure is taken out of the barn on a daily basis and taken to the digesters, which digest it and create the biogas.
The magic here is that we're pooling together manure and digesters from many different farms and bringing it in as natural gas to a central location. And that natural gas goes in and creates energy for homes, businesses, and transportation.
We have enough turbines to generate about 135,000 megawatts of renewable electricity.
For instance, right outside the door of this Milford hog farm are enough wind turbines and solar panels to create electricity to power over 65,000 area homes.
We've got an audacious goal really across our system to cover all our lagoons and capture gas on virtually all our company-owned farms. And then we want to expand that to all the thousands of family farmers that we work with. So I do believe that we're leading in this regard and that this is the future of farming that you're looking at.
This pig farm in Milford, Utah may very well be the future of farming in America, where farmers are not only supplying nutritious food to feed our people, but also supplying renewable energy to fuel our planet.